What the heck? Blacksburg? What is this meant to be called? Huh?
Signals to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signals in the
What?
receiver's performance are normally conducted
What?
by the National Weather Service around
You were meant to issue this at 9 today,
the month when it is conducted.
not at 6:52.
If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this
What is this?
and especially the warning alarms will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in the Blacksburg County warning area: in Virginia, Haswell and Russell. This has been a test of the NOAA radio warning device. We now return to normal programming. Here are some 6 p.m. observations from around the area. In rich lands, skies were clear. The temperature was 36 degrees. The dew point was
I hate
18,
you.
and the relative
I
humidity
hate you
48%.
so much.
The wind
Easy
was
25.3.
6 miles per hour. The pressure was 30.29 inches and steady. In Lonesome Pine,
Let me exit this real quick. The down arrow. It went off for RWT at 6:53.